Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani and in the today's session we are continuing our hybridization topic, that is sp2 hybridization. In the previous session, that is in the sp3 hybridization that we have seen, you can refer that previous video in which we have seen how 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals are formed. Today we will see in the definition of sp2 hybridization how sp2 hybrid orbitals are formed. As the name suggests, sp2 means it is mixing and recasting of one s orbital with two p orbitals to give three equivalent sp2 orbitals. So these are one s orbital and two p orbitals, something like this. 1s and 2p orbitals. After mixing and recasting, they produce three equivalent sp2 hybrid orbitals which get arranged in one plane, that is in planar structure at angle of 120 degree, and they are trigonally get arranged. Now what it is necessary to know, this is the figure for that three sp2 hybrid orbitals form. We already know hybridization is what concept? It is the conversion of unequal orbitals to equal orbitals before chemical combination. Okay, we'll take example of that. It is the organic compound ethylene, which is containing carbon-carbon double bond. It is unsaturated hydrocarbon. In general, alkenes, they have formula CnH2n. They contain carbon-carbon double bond. They are what called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. We will see how this molecule ethylene, that is CH2 double bond CH2, is formed by sp2 hybridization. We already know carbon atom has such configuration in ground state with atomic number 6. It is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. That is 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. There is a chance to form the excited state because there is empty orbital, that is 2pz, and therefore in excited state configuration what happens, it is something like this. One electron get promoted to the empty 2pz orbital from that 2s electron pair, and we get such excited state configuration: 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz also 1. During sp2 hybridization, as shown here, this 1s orbital and 2p orbitals get mixed and recast, and they produce three equivalent sp2 hybrid orbitals, while this 2pz orbital remain unhybrid or that not get part in the hybridization. So these are three sp2 hybrid orbitals, means after the sp2 hybridization of carbon, it has four orbitals of this type containing one unhybrid 2pz and these three sp2 hybrid orbitals. Now it is necessary to know how this each orbital unhybrid and hybrid used to form our molecule ethylene, that is CH2 double bond CH2. Let us know that how each bond is formed. You have the something structure of this type. Now each CH bond is formed by such overlapping sp2-1s, that is of carbon, that is of hydrogen. And a carbon-carbon, there are two bonds. One bond is formed by sp2-sp2 overlapping, while other bond is formed by unhybrid 2pz overlapping. Now what it is necessary to know, the diagram for that, it is something like this, that we have carbon, its sp2 hybrid orbitals, that I am drawing. This is the carbon-carbon single bond which is formed by sp2-sp2 orbital overlapping. This is the another carbon-carbon bond which is distributed at two places, that is below and above, by 2pz overlapping that forms. What happens here? It is this CH bond, such two CH bonds per carbon, something like this. So that is the hydrogen's 1s orbital, and that get overlap with sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon, something like this. Then the geometry of molecule is trigonal, bond angle 120 degree, Which bond angle? HCC, that is HCC or this HCH, both bond angles 120 degree, and the overlapping is already explained here what it is. So this is trigonal geometry. There are other examples of sp2 hybridization other than organic compound, like there is BF3, boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride has such structure BF3 in which boron undergoes sp2 hybridization and there is such angle 120 degree. Geometry is trigonal or it is planar triangular. So that is for the sp2 hybridization in brief. In the next session we will see sp2 hybridization. Thanks. As we have come to an end, like this video, comment which concept you want to see next, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on that notification bell icon.